everyone. My today's essay is on environment. Let's start. 1. Everything that surrounds us constitutes our environment. 2. It is our responsibility to maintain the cleanliness of the environment. 3. The environment constitutes of all living as well as non-living things. 4. Earth's environment faces a threat due to human activities like industrialization and deforestation. 5. A healthy environment helps in nourishment and growth of all living species. 6. The three classifications of the environment are the natural, industrial and social environment. 7. Our environment is the only home that provides food, water and shelter to all living beings. 8. We should never indulge in any such activity which pollutes our environment. 9. Environmental pollution causes global warming, acid rain and depletion of natural resources. 10. You can save water, plant the trees, avoid the use of plastic to save the environment. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe.